The holy month of Ramadan is here. But let me ask you, are we just going to fast, or are we going to seize this opportunity to wake up spiritually? The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him and his holy family, warned us saying, there are those who fast, but who will gain nothing from their fast except hunger and thirst. We cannot allow ourselves to be of them. Instead, we want to be of those who emerge from the holy month of Ramadan having achieved the purpose, having been fully transformed, their hearts lighter, their faith deeper, their souls renewed. So how do we ensure that this holy month of Ramadan isn't just going to be a routine for us, but a true spiritual journey? Welcome to this special 30-day Ramadan Supplication Series. Every day, we will reflect on a short yet powerful dua, supplications that unlock the true purpose of fasting and worship. How do we move beyond rituals and into spiritual awakening? How do we strengthen our connection with the Holy Quran? How do we ensure we're not just going through the motions, but truly transforming? Throughout this series, we will break down daily supplications, exploring their deep meanings, uncovering the spiritual wisdom behind them, and learning how to apply them to our daily lives. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him and his family, emphasized the importance of du'as during this sacred month. He taught us that the holy month of Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food. It's about purifying the heart. It's about strengthening self-control. It's about reconnecting with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in a way that lasts long after the holy month is over. The Holy Quran says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykum as-siyamu kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. O you who have believed, fasting has been prescribed upon you as it was prescribed upon those before you, so that you may attain taqwa. This verse reminds us that fasting is not just about hunger and thirst. It's about achieving taqwa, a heightened awareness of the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our lives. One of the best established traditions of the holy month of Ramadan are the daily recitations of very short yet beautiful and profound supplications. These are du'as that have been passed down to us through some of our greatest scholars like Sayyid ibn Tawus, and recorded in books like the famous Mafatihul Jinan and others. These du'as are not just words, they are guides for the soul. So each day, we will recite a powerful supplication for the day, break down its meaning based on Islamic teachings, reflect on how to apply it to our daily lives, and connect it to the broader spiritual journey that is the holy month of Ramadan. This holy month is not just a checklist of worship and devotions, it's a journey of transformation. Each supplication is going to build on the previous ones, guiding us step by step from awakening to purification, from discipline to deep devotion. By the end of these 30 days, you won't just be someone who fasted. Insha'Allah, you'll be someone who grew spiritually. A person whose heart is lighter, whose faith is stronger, and whose soul is truly connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's make these 30 days count. Join me on this journey. Turn on notifications and let's reflect together. Every day, a new supplication, a new lesson, a new opportunity for spiritual growth. And I want to hear from you. What does the holy month of Ramadan mean to you? Let's support one another in this journey. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our fasts, our prayers, and our supplications during this holy month. And let's begin this journey together.